woman who gave birth to Malcolm. Louise and young Little, a freedom fighter too. A famous Grenadian, she come from England. Louise and young.
At this time, it's my pleasure to bring back Lindonna Laguerre, who is going to read a citation in honor of Malcolm X. Lindonna.
To honor our brother Malcolm. Our brother Malcolm, we hail you. Son of the Grenadian, daughter of the soil of Ladigue, we hail you. A clarion voice for oppressed people all over the world, we hail you. Malcolm X, as he came to be known internationally, was born to Earl and Louise Little on May 19, 1925, in a time when Jim Crow laws determined the destinies of Black people in America. Malcolm came to manhood in these turbulent times. His autobiography tells of the family's many encounters with the white racial order of the day. These encounters led to the apparent assassination of his father at the hands of white supremacists and the eventual splitting up of his family. Young Malcolm was a handful. His early life was full of action and adventure, most of it on the other side of the law. Detroit Red, as he came to be known in the streets, ended his run in prison. The Malcolm X that the world came to know was formed in these years in prison. As he says in his own words, I have often reflected upon the new vistas that reading has opened up to me. I knew right there in prison that reading had changed forever the course of my life. As I see today, the ability to read awoke inside of me some long dormant craving to be mentally alive. Here we salute the intellectual giant, the global civil rights icon, the man of conviction and spirit, who we call our brother Malcolm. Brother Malcolm, we salute you for your commitment to the cause of oppressed people around the world. Brother Malcolm, we salute you for taking a stand against injustice, saying, those who stand for nothing will fall for anything. Brother Malcolm, we salute you for advocating for education as the passport to a bright future and for the part you played in educating generations of oppressed people all over the world. Today, as Grenadians, we are proud to be part of your legacy. We are proud to call you a son of the soil, a Grenadian whose influence was felt on a global scale and whose life continues to resonate today. We take up your call to fight for justice and freedom for all. We salute your sacrifice in giving your life for the cause of freedom. We will never forget. Brother Malcolm, we salute you. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Thank you.